Okay, let's talk about what we discussed at this week mastermind. The topic was what to offer as a gift for a mortgage approved client. So gift ideas for clients and referrals. So he had great ideas. Joaquin said that giving a ZZ plant as a gift is very good because it's low maintenance, doesn't need much sunlight or water. And when he follow-ups with the client, it's always give a good laugh because he's always asking about the plant. Roshan has great ideas with or great success with home hardware toolbox because it's practical and it's appreciated and is related to the home. Kinshuk says that he prefers giving gift cards to underwriters for complex files rather than clients. The underwriters are the ones who make the magic happen. Myself, I like also giving the importance to the underwriters because they are the really rock stars. And Martin says that he likes to give gift baskets delivered, listen to this, to the workplace, because over there he gets the potential for a lot of referrals. And he also likes Cutco knives because they have a lifetime guarantee and they stay at the kitchen table for a long period of time. Carly discussed to check with the accountants because sometimes gift cards cannot be written off as a business expense, so check with your accountants. Joaquin also likes tiered gifts. For example, for the first referral, he gives a certain gift. For the second referral, a better gift. For the third referral, a bigger gift, and so on and so forth. And he also emphasizes cultural sensitivity because it can go a long way when you really pay attention what is important to your clients. Again, personalized gifts. If you know something is important to the client and you do something for them specifically that is not like mass marketed, it has a bigger impact. And I myself like recurring gifts. For example, like a magazine subscription to something that your clients really like. They will remember you every time that magazine hits their mailbox. Or memorable experiences, again, something that is related to your clients. Martin said, mentioning buying tickets for sports events. And I, for example, like double dating. So I take my wife and a realtor and their wife, and we go for a nice dinner, and we have a great evening together. That strengthens the relationship, and I think it's a way better experience than just giving like a gift card. Proposed topic for next week: networking at social events. So let me know if you want to be part of this mastermind. I'd love to send you the invite and see you at the next mastermind.